In this video, we will be assembling a CSE C3 actuator with proximity switch, positive power supply, and NC type proximity switch power. Right now we'll be taking the plate for the electronics and attaching the circuit board. Locate micro switches, slide onto bracket. And with the NC type micro switch, power will be continuously flowing through the proximity switches, only broken when the switch is thrown. Attach the second micro switch, proximity switch. Attach wiring housing, air cap. Oh, that's the air filter, excuse me. Closest to the filter, in the next hole over, insert air supply with PTFE tape. Rotate until secure, and finally air cap. Once that is complete, we are ready to attach circuit bracket. First place O-ring in the middle, the bottom plate. Locate double threaded screw. Place secondary plate. Locate the control top stem. Lubricate with food grade lubricant. And insert through plate that you just installed. Stem housing. Locate the solenoid switch. Take off cover. Plate and screw down. Once that's complete, take cover, place cover back over solenoid. At this point, locate air supply with T-port, place O-ring in, screw through O-ring, screw through T-port, and down onto first O-ring. Screw until secure. Place air supply above the air filter. Locate proximity switch bracket. Slide over housing. Continue until all three screws for the bracket are secure in place. Should be to attach the wiring for the solenoid. Slide through housing and onto the other side. Of course, with this one we're setting up for normal close, which means power is always flowing through the proximity switches. Normal open is going to be a little bit of a different process. Continue attaching wires for circuit board. This is how the circuit functions for an NC type proximity switch. If we were wiring it up for NO, the circuit is only completed once power is supplied. Next step will be to attach the LED light plate. And that is how you assemble a CSE C3 control top.